Hey y'all, in today's video I will be reviewing this body wave unit that I received from Nadula Hair. This is how the unit looks straight out of the package. This is their 24-inch body wave glueless wig. This is their ear-to-ear 13x4 pre-everything lace front unit. Since this unit already came fully pre-customized, I'm jumping straight into installing the wig. So I'm going in with the Bold Hold Liquid Gold Gel, and I'm applying one layer of that gel to lay my lace down. I'm blow drying on a medium heat setting until I feel like the glue is tacky enough for me to lay the lace down. I'm going over the lace with the Eben Firm Hold Sensitive Spray to secure the lace down and make sure it is fully glued down. I continue to go in and lay my lace down with the Eben Sensitive Firm Hold Spray. I've tried a good amount of adhesive sprays, and I feel like the Eben Sensitive Adhesive Spray really keeps my installs lasting for a very long time. Now that the lace is fully glued down, I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color level 15, and I'm using the darkest shade on this palette to blend the lace with my skin tone. Now I'm going in with my elastic band and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting, and I'll be doing this process for about 5 to 10 minutes. This process will help melt your lace down and blend it in with your skin to make it appear more natural. I'm using my mini scissors to just cut off any excess lace that is not needed. Then I'm going back in with that same Eben Firm Hold Spray to lay that area back down. As you can see, the unit already came pre-curled. I'm going in with my wide tooth comb and combing the curls out. I did not like the way that the curls came out after I combed it out, so I'm gonna style the hair again later on in this video. But before we do that, let's lay the top of this wig down. So I'm going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting and my brush, and I'm going over the top of this wig to flatten the hair down. Now I'm going in with the Kerry Care wax stick, and I'm also going in with my hot comb on the hottest heat setting, and I'm going over the top of this wig to flatten down this foundation even more. Since I'll be curling this wig, I'm gonna go in and add some layers. So I'm going in with my razor comb and just adding a little bit of layers to the front of this wig. To curl this wig today, I'm going in with my flat iron. After I finished curling the hair, I initially went in with my vent brush to brush the hair out, but then afterwards I went in with my rat tail comb to comb the curls out, and this left a more neater look and a less frizzy look as well. For longer lasting curls and for a nice curl hold, I went in with my Sebastian Sharper spray. So here's the final look of the wig, and I am satisfied with the outcome. There's so many things that I like about this wig, which involves the quality. I love how the entire wig already came pre-customized and it was so easy for me to install. The only thing that I wish was different was the density. I wish it was a little bit more thicker, but it still had that natural density type of look to it, so it's not really a big deal for me. I also feel like the lace on this unit blended so well and definitely gave that HD type of look. Thank you so much for watching. Please stay tuned for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment down below.
Nadula.